One of the key issues we had is that our reps were just clicking around and they weren't sure what was the next prospect that they were going to call. And I just wanted them to be able to sell. And VanillaSoft is a powerful solution, but it's very elegant and simple in the way that it delivers what it needs to deliver. So I looked around to try to find a solution where basically my reps would be able to just click a button, make a call, disposition it, and then move on to the next best prospect that they needed to speak to. What VanillaSoft has done is they've curated the most important features, the most important functionality that will actually make your reps more effective, and made it a simple tool to be as powerful as possible in a way that will maximize your reps' productivity. With VanillaSoft, there's almost no learning, it's just intuitive. And so we put them in front and we show them how we're using it and the different dispositions and things like that, but literally they can learn it in less than 10 minutes. It is the rock bed of what we do. It's the heart and soul of our organization. So every time that we bring on a campaign or a client, what we do is we filter everything into VanillaSoft. We build the campaigns through VanillaSoft. All of the scripting is in VanillaSoft. All the leads, all the cadences we build through VanillaSoft. If you want to have a tool that's easy to implement, VanillaSoft will allow you to deploy in that manner, and then also be a tool that your reps actually want to use. And they'll see their productivity increase within days by using VanillaSoft and not having to spend days just learning the tool.